This is a global emergency. Please stand by. The asteroid TMW 2018 will hit the Earth in 2 hours. Use this time with your family for your final moments on this beautiful green and blue planet. There is nothing humanity can do from stopping this asteroid. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. You may opt out any way you want to. The time we have left on this planet has changed drastically. We discovered the asteroid too late. May God help us all. God bless the United States. Lamentations 3:22-23. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases, His mercies never come to an end, they are new every morning, great is your faithfulness.